Hi guys, it's me, Alex, your Sassy Dispatch Girl. And today we're gonna be talking about the difference between company dispatcher and being an independent dispatch service. Well, what is a company dispatcher? Well, you're just gonna be an employee, right? You're gonna find company, trucking company, carrier. We call them motor carrier. They're gonna hire you to dispatch their trucks. What do dispatchers do? Well, we arrange movement of the freight from A to B. We organize reloads, loads for our drivers. We are making sure that we are giving updates to the brokers on our transit, right? We are negotiating the loads and making sure that drivers make profit. That your company, your trucking company, is gonna make profit. How are you gonna be compensated? Well, it depends how you negotiated your salary. Usually, if you start in Chicagoland, for example, as a new dispatcher, you're gonna start at $1,000 a week, and after 2-3 months, when you are able to dispatch 6 to 8 trucks, you're probably gonna make $1,200 to $1,500, right? Not bad. After one class, you're gonna be able to dispatch those trucks with no problems. Well, this is being an employee. Can you really grow? Not really, because physically you can dispatch only 10, 12 trucks, maybe 15. So, maximum you can make $2,000 to $2,500. Is the difference between creating a dispatch service. You don't have to dispatch for only one carrier. You can find small carriers or the big carriers. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4 carriers. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Each of them can have different amount of trucks. Maybe this guy has 4 trucks, this guy has 2 trucks, this has 6, and maybe this guy already has 15 trucks. Well, again, how are you going to be charging them? You will be charging them from gross, from week. So let's calculate. Average gross per truck is $6,000-7,000 a week in a bad market. And we are talking bad market. So if you have total 20-25 trucks, how much money are you making? Well, you learn how to calculate because I'm not going to do the math. You want to be dispatcher, you will need to be good with numbers. But now, are you going to be dispatching them yourself? Not really. You can start hiring dispatchers for your independent dispatch service, and you can add more carriers. You can add another carrier, number 5, 6, 7, right? And they can have 5 trucks, 10 trucks, maybe 1 truck, and you're gonna be servicing them. And this is the difference between being an employee and being a business person. In this model, yes, you're gonna have a responsibility. What is your responsibility? Well, to find the carriers. What do you need to do? Do you need to invest lots of money? Not really. You just need to learn how to dispatch. You need to know how to organize business, which is not a big deal. Do you need to have MC? No, you don't. Each carrier is gonna have their own MC. Each carrier is gonna have special insurance, and they have to worry about how to find the drivers, how to buy equipment. You only gonna be organizing movement of the freight from A to B, and you will be charging percentage for your service. Do you think it's a great idea? Well, I think so, because that's where the real money is, right? Why lots of people come to me, because they are business-oriented people and they want to make sure they grow this as a business. Do you need to have a truck? No, you don't. Do you need to put money and open MC? No, you don't. But what do you need to know? Well, you need to know how to dispatch. So, if you want to build a business, and here you are, this guy who is making lots of money but does not have liability, then it's you. Well, sign up for my class and I will make sure you will get to the top with my experience and my knowledge. you want to come to trucking business? Well, you can become the truck driver, you can buy your truck, you can open your small company, but what happens? You get your liability. Now you have to worry about insurance. Now you have to worry about safety. Now you have to worry how you're gonna buy that first truck. And you still need to know how to dispatch. You still need to know how to run your company. So I believe this is the best model. That's why in my class, most of the people who come and train, they come because they want to create business. And I'm here to help you. But if you're just looking to start and maybe get experience for months or 2 or 3, maybe even few years, well, look at this. Where can you start making $2,000 nowadays? Right, guys? Not that many places. So only after my dispatch class, you will be confident because we have intense live training via Zoom. I will be there, I will be teaching you, and I will share my knowledge. But the best part, guys, you're gonna be calling your brokers, you're gonna be booking your trucks, and you will know how to calculate rate per mile, how to know the markets, how to use load boards, and way more, because I'm covering all the basics, starting with insurance, factoring, regulations, safety, but also, guys, you can watch me to do this every day because I love dispatch. And that's why I think if you're a business-oriented person, you should go for business as an independent dispatch service. If you're looking for the new job, maybe you should start as a company dispatcher. $100 billion were spent for moving the freight. Don't you think you want to be a part of it? Trucking is not going nowhere, and I am staying here to teach you. Sign up for my class, Learn Dispatch today, and I will make sure you succeed. Sign up today, not tomorrow, because tomorrow you will be pro like me. And here I am, Alex, your sassy dispatch girl,